Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we're going to be unboxing this children's educational clock. Like Noah. Look at this. It's a surprise, surprise. Guess what it is?
A clock.
A clock. I already said it. Sorry. Ta-da! Look, so cool.
What's your clock?
It's a cool clock. Look at this.
What's your clock?
So this is really nice. As you can see, there is a detailed number here. So your toddlers can count the numbers in the clock. And then it's hard to see, but let me twist the hands. Move the hands. As you can see, there's an hour hand. The red one is the hour hand. And what's this color?
Blue.
The blue one is the minute hand. So there is also it teaches them how to skip count by 5, 10, 15, 20. And then it's cool that it has this markers every quarter. So there's like a quarter past, half past, quarter to. So let's see if this item works. This is made of glass. This is glass and the black part is plastic. And this is around probably 8 to 10 inches. And this is the back piece. It needs one AA battery. So let's see if this battery works. It does not come with a battery, so this is my own battery. Trying to check.
Cannot fit.
Cannot fit, huh? Okay, I'm not sure. Let's see. Well, it should fit.
Cannot fit because it's too big.
Is it too big?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to fit it. So I was able to fit the battery. Let's see, where's the button for turning it on? Oh, there you go. Now it works. So I'm gonna set the time. Let's see, what time is it? Oh, so it's 10:27 p.m.
What's that clock?
Oh, it's the Alexa clock. So let's
the clock.
Noah, let's set the time to 10. Where's number 10?
There.
And there you go. So we need to put the hour hand to the number 10. Thank you, Omi. So let's put the hour hand 10 and then 27. So let's count. Can you find the 27 for me?
27.
20. So look, 5, 10, 15, 20. Where's the 27? 27. So there's the 7 there. 27. So you can see that? 10:27. So now we have a clock.
There. It's right there.
Yeah, we have a clock that's working. So that's really cool. So it's working, and we're going to be using this
10.
for...
That's 10.
Yes, it's 10:27 p.m.
And that's 2.
Yeah.
And what's these?
That's 10.
And what's that?
So yes, this is really nice. It's very interactive. Do you like this clock,
The
Noah?
Alexa clock.
Do you like this clock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Alexa clock is better than these ones. I like these
This one
ones.
is a nice clock, yes. Okay. So this is our video for today. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.
The bell. Please subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.